Do you need to replace the power button on your Inspiron 7425 2-in-1? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Now disconnect the battery cable. Then unscrew and lift the left LCD hinge. Next, unclip the locking tabs and disconnect the input-output board cables. Then unscrew and remove the input-output board. Now unscrew and remove the power button. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.